Alright, welcome wonderful people. Once again, let us try to look at the alternative of the very same problem that we have just solved. Remember, we were given x plus iy into 2 plus I, and this is 3 equals to 3 minus I. Remember, they said that we should find the values of x and y, and x must be an element of a real number and also y. Now, an alternative for the very same problem. Now, what can we do in this? Okay, we can say, for example, we can make x plus iy the subject of the formula by dividing this plus this. This plus that, this into this will go once. You'll have your x plus iy being equals to 3 minus I, 2 plus I. And then what will you do then? You know that you will multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of 2 plus I, or you will rationalize the denominator. So you can multiply by 2 minus I, 2 minus I. And you know how that will work and simplify things for us. So we will have 6 minus 3i minus 2i plus I squared. You'll find 4, and you'll find 4 minus 2i plus 2i minus I squared. So this is 4 minus 2i plus 2i minus I squared. And this will be 6 minus 3i minus 2i is minus 5i, plus I know where I see I squared, I write negative 1. So you can just say negative 1. This and this will cancel. You will have 4 minus, you know where you see I squared, you will just write negative 1. And you'll say 6 minus 1, which is 5 minus 5i. And this is 4 plus 1, which is 5. And this will give you 5 divided by 5 minus 5i divided by 5. This is 1 minus I. And you will say this is equals to that. So we will say that x plus yi or iy is equals to 1 minus I. Where x is equals to 1 or y equals negative 1, because this is the real root and this is the imaginary root. Y equals negative 1, x equals 1. That will be the alternative of finding that problem.